I'm not letting you out. It's too dark. No, you'll get eaten by a darn mountain lion or a wolf or a fox. No, it's too dark out.
I propose shoot up here.
You have to wait till the sun comes up. You have to wait till the sun comes up. No, we go through this every morning, Scotch. Scotch. Do you want to be mountain lion bait? You do? Okay then. Just kidding, I'm not letting you out. Scotch. You can't. It's dark out. And it's cold. Scotch. I'm serious. Okay. This has been going on for a while now. Oh, you gotta clean your leg. No, you have to wait. He kind of blends in with the floor. 5 a.m. we go through this every day. Right, Scotch? Scotch. Okay, this is a minute and a half of my life I'm never getting back again. Okay. Okay. You gotta wait until the sun comes up.